Sometimes the most beautiful transformations come from the most unexpected places. Let me tell you a little story. A few years ago, a woman named Clara moved into her first apartment. It was small, simple, and honestly, a little too plain. The walls felt empty, the shelves looked cold, and nothing in the space seemed to reflect who she truly was. One day, while unpacking old boxes from her childhood, she found a small crocheted blanket that her grandmother had made for her. Something about the softness, the handmade stitches, the warmth of those loops of yarn made her feel instantly at home. That night, she spread the crocheted blanket over her couch, and suddenly, the whole apartment felt different. It didn't just look decorated, it felt alive, warm, and personal. Inspired by that one piece, Clara started making small crochet items, a coaster here, a plant holder there, a little wall hanging for the corner. Over time, her home slowly transformed into a cozy, vibrant space full of personality, color, and comfort. And that's the magic of crochet. It's not just decor, it's emotion woven into art. Today, I want to share that same magic with you. If you've been looking for easy, beautiful, and creative ways to decorate your home, crochet might just become your new best friend. Whether you're a beginner or someone who has been crocheting for years, there are endless home decor ideas that are quick to make, affordable, and incredibly beautiful. So, let's dive right into the world of easy crochet home decor ideas, the kind that bring warmth, style, and handmade charm into every corner of your home. Let's start with crochet pillow covers. These are some of the easiest and fastest ways to transform your space. Imagine your living room sofa with soft, textured pillows made by your own hands, maybe in chunky yarn for a modern look, or vibrant colors to brighten up a neutral space. Pillow covers not only add comfort, but they also make your home feel more inviting. They're also practical. You can switch them out based on the season. Warm tones for fall, bright colors for spring, and soft neutrals for everyday style. Next up, crochet table runners. These are elegant, simple, and incredibly useful. A crochet table runner instantly turns a plain dining table into something stylish and welcoming. You can go for a delicate lace design if you love a classic feel, or choose a thicker yarn and bold pattern for a more contemporary look. Beyond beauty, table runners protect your table surface, catch spills, and make your dining experience more special. It's amazing how something handmade can bring character to even the simplest meals. Another beautiful idea is crocheted coasters and placemats. These are honestly some of the quickest projects you'll ever make, and they look amazing in any home. A set of coasters on your coffee table instantly adds charm and personality. They protect your furniture from heat, scratches, and spills, and they're completely customizable. You can match them with your decor colors, your kitchen theme, or even your mood. Crochet placemats, on the other hand, give your dining area a polished, homely, and organized look. When guests walk in and see them, they immediately feel your attention to detail and creativity. Let's talk about crochet plant hangers. If you love indoor plants but want a unique and stylish way to display them, crochet plant holders are perfect. They're trendy, easy to make, and look amazing in modern, boho, minimalist, or traditional homes. Hanging your plants in crochet holders adds height, balance, and movement to your space. Plus, it saves shelf space and helps your room feel more open and airy. Using natural cotton yarn gives them a clean, beautiful finish that blends with almost any decor style. Now let's move into a project that warms both the home and the heart: crochet throws and blankets. A handmade throw blanket instantly softens any space. Picture it draped over your couch, your bed, or your favorite reading chair. The texture, the warmth, the cozy knit, it gives your home that comforting, lived-in feeling that everyone loves. Crochet blankets are also timeless pieces that stay with you for years. They're useful in cold seasons, perfect for movie nights, and beautiful enough to become a centerpiece of your decor. They're also classic gifts and often become meaningful keepsakes. Another wonderful decor item is crocheted wall hangings. These are trendy, eye-catching, and surprisingly simple to make. Whether you choose a boho fringe wall hanging, a geometric pattern, or a colorful mandala, crochet wall decor adds personality to your walls. Unlike regular artwork, Crochet wall hangings bring texture, something soft, tactile, and handmade, and that texture makes a room feel warmer and more welcoming. Hanging one above your bed or in your hallway creates an instant focal point. Let's not forget crochet baskets. These are perfect for organizing and decorating at the same time. You can use crochet baskets to store yarn, toys, remotes, makeup, kitchen tools, or bathroom essentials. They're sturdy, reusable, washable, and extremely stylish. Neutral-colored crochet baskets give your home a clean, modern look, while colorful ones brighten up any room. They're practical and decorative, the perfect combination every home needs. Another fun decor idea that many people love is crochet rugs. They're soft under your feet, unique, and add warmth to bedrooms, nurseries, bathrooms, or living rooms. You can choose round rugs, oval rugs, or traditional rectangular rugs. Using thick yarn makes them cushy and luxurious, while cotton yarn makes them perfect for warm climates. Crochet rugs give your home that cozy, handcrafted feel that cannot be bought in stores. They also help reduce noise, protect floors, and bring softness to hard surfaces. Another charming addition for any home is crocheted curtain tiebacks. These small pieces may seem simple, but they add a lot of elegance to your windows. A beautifully crocheted tieback can turn plain curtains into decorative pieces. You can choose floral designs, chunky patterns, or minimalist loops, whatever matches your style. It's amazing how such a tiny crochet item can change the entire look of your living room or bedroom. If you love displaying photos or small artwork, you'll enjoy crochet frames. These are creative, adorable, and surprisingly easy to make. You simply crochet around a wooden or cardboard frame to create a soft, unique border. They make your photos stand out and add handmade charm to your gallery wall, office desk, or shelves. Crochet frames are wonderful for kids' rooms, nurseries, and craft rooms too. Now let's talk about how crochet not only beautifies your home, but also brings a deeper sense of warmth and connection. Every stitch holds time, patience, and creativity. When you decorate your home with crochet, you're adding pieces of yourself, your colors, your design choices, your personal touch. Crochet decor adds softness to hard edges, fills empty spaces with character, and makes your home feel more comfortable and you. Crochet is also extremely useful. It helps organize your space through baskets, coasters, placemats, and table runners. It adds comfort through throws, pillows, and rugs. It makes your home visually interesting through unique textures and patterns. And because everything is handmade, each item becomes special, meaningful, and one of a kind. Crochet is also extremely budget-friendly. Home decor can sometimes be expensive, but crochet allows you to create high-quality, stylish pieces without breaking the bank. Yarn is affordable, and once you learn a few basic stitches, you can make almost anything. It's the perfect way to decorate your home creatively, personally, and economically. Crochet also brings a sense of calm and therapy. The rhythmic motion of stitching helps relax your mind, reduce stress, and bring joy. And when you finish a decor piece and see it placed beautifully in your home, there's a sense of pride that fills you. Your home becomes more than just a place. It becomes a creative, warm, comforting space shaped by your own hands. In the end, crochet home decor isn't just about making things look pretty. It's about creating a home that tells your story, a home that feels warm, welcoming, and filled with love. A home that the blankets soften your evenings, the pillows brighten your mornings, the plant hangers bring life to your corners, and the baskets keep your world organized. A home that reflects who you are. So, whether you're new to crochet or have been doing it for years, let these easy decor ideas inspire you. Pick up your hook, grab your favorite yarn, and begin creating pieces that will transform your space. Just like Clara discovered in her apartment, a single crochet item has the power to change not just a room, but the entire feeling of your home. Because when your home is decorated with pieces made from your heart and hands, it becomes more than beautiful. It becomes truly yours.